check out this 4x4, unique, especially in classics. 1996 Chevrolet Silverado. Regular cab, fleet side, 4x4, two-owner truck. Was with the original owner up till this past year. Just a little over 75,000 miles is all, and it has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, bumper. Check out the chrome, headlight surrounds, bug shield added. 5.7 liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this truck, you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Dark garnet in color and quicksilver. There will be a copy of the window sticker with the still pictures, owner's manual, RPO codes. As you can see, Nerf bars from Laverne. Make it a little easier to get in and out. And take a look up and down the passenger side of this thing and how straight it is. You can tell it has not had a bunch of body work. Take a look at these lower rockers. Well taken care of and preserved truck. Riding on aftermarket chrome wheels, Michelin radials. Take a look here in the box. Doesn't appear that it's been worked real hard either. Looks like it had a box liner in it once upon its life. It does have the gray cloth interior, and we'll get around to that in a little bit. Start it up, let you check out the interior. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does have the trailering package back here. As you can see, it also has the electronic shift transfer case. You'll be able to push button and go in and out of four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. Also looks like it has had some adjustable air shocks added with the valves on each side of the bumper, helping out with trailering. This truck also has the 1SB preferred equipment group. It was ordered with that. Some of the things that's going to contain is AC, which does blow cold. Of course, it has power steering, power brakes, and then dual electric mirrors, AM/FM cassette, power locks, power windows, cruise. Check out the window sticker. It's going to tell you all the options. That is one of the packages, and there's more options on there besides just those. So check it out, uniqueclassiccars.com. It's going to have the window sticker picture, RPO codes, all the other pictures of this truck. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a look at these lower rockers on the driver's side. Again, you can see paint's in nice condition. Trucks have been gaining more and more popularity, no doubt about that. Sell rather quick, especially the ones that are this clean, this nice a shape. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out. I think by looking at the rest of the truck, we know what this is going to look like. And there it is. So power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Door panel, nice shape. Does have the color keyed floor mats. That would have been one of the options. And here is your split bench seat. And of course, cloth, and it is free of rips, tears, really much wear at all. Holding up very nicely. Center fold down armrest. All right, let's look a little closer. Here's your exact miles, 75,239. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. And again, AC, blows cold. AM/FM cassette player, works. Seatbelt buzzer off. Don't have a seatbelt on, so you have that light on there. Other than that, daytime running lamps. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Not weather checked, faded, cracked, anything like that. Oh, this truck was stored indoors. Also cassette player, by the way, AM/FM cassette and CD. Headliner, sliding rear window. Nicely equipped truck. Slip around to the back, no crazy exhaust. Sounds like you'd expect. Again, that 5.7 liter Vortec V8 underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission. I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood. I think we also know how clean that's going to be underneath there, but let's take a look at it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, first of all, take a look at that hood liner. How clean that is. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in much for inclement weather. You don't get the corrosion that you see in so many of them on this one. It is just clean. Wow. Now you look at a truck, check it all over, it's all been well taken care of. Yeah, it ends up looking like this is what it amounts to. And remember, one owner up until just this past year. It's a 2-owner truck. Clean Carfax, confirms miles, no accidents indicated. Check this one out. 1996 Chevrolet Silverado K1500 regular cab, fleet side. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.